Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes, and I would like to extend my warmest welcome to you all on the beginning of the new academic year. And let me first congratulate those who opted statistics in science and commerce. I am Udayashree and I teach statistics. My dear students, success has no shortcut. So be responsible, be sincere and be creative, and I wish you all the very best to this academic year. See, statistics is new subject in PUC and it is optional subject to science and commerce. For science, the combination of statistics is PCMS, and for commerce, the combination of statistics is EBAS. Okay. As you all know that beginning of something new is always amazing, isn't it? Okay, let me share some knowledge about statistics, that is further studies of statistics, what are the job sectors of statistics in government sector and private sector, then skills and responsibilities of a statistician, then origin of statistics, development of statistics and meaning of statistics with an example.
My dear students, welcome to my presentation on statistics. Let's see best courses of statistics. In that first one, certificate and diploma courses. There are so many certificate and diploma courses are there. Here we are going to see important courses of statistics. In that first one, that is certificate in statistical methods and applications, diploma courses in statistics. Then bachelor courses are bachelor degree in statistics and bachelor of science in statistics. Then master courses are master degree in statistics, master of science in statistics. Then doctoral courses are master of philosophy in statistics, PhD in statistics. Then let's move to statistical software. First one, SAS, that is statistical analysis software. Next, R, Foundation for Statistical Computing. SAS, SPSS, that is statistical packages for social science. Next, Minitab, MATLAB, GraphPad Prism, Microsoft Excel. Next, let's see job titles, that is data scientist, statisticians, business analyst, professor, risk analyst, data analyst, content analyst, statistic trainer, biostatistician and econometrician. Next, move to job areas. First one, government sectors, that is ISS, that is Indian Statistical Service, IES, Indian Economic Service, CSO, Central Statistical Organization, RGI, Register General of India. Next, IPPS, Indian Institute of Population Studies, NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, Nationalized Banks, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, MOSPI, that is Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation. Next, private sectors are Indian Market Research Bureau, TCS Innovations Lab, Nielsen Company, Accenture, Blue Ocean Markets, Cognizant, GE Capital, Amadeus IT Group, private sector banks. Next, duties of statistician. Collecting and analyzing the data, to design experiments or surveys to collect the required data, applying statistical methods to solve practical problems in business, science and other fields, writing reports and articles of their analysis, presenting results to client or authorities. Next, skills required to a statistician. Strong foundation in mathematical statistics, logical thinking and ability to comprehend key facts, ability to interact with peoples from various fields to understand the problems, strong background in statistical computing, ability to stay updated on recent literature and statistical software. Next, let's move to introduction to statistics. Let's see origin of statistics. The origin of the word statistics has been traced back to the Latin word status, German word statistic, and French word statistique. All the words mean political state. Statistics took birth when the people started expressing their ideas such as members in a family, livestock, and quantities given or taken in a barter system, etc. in numerical terms. As man started living in a society, keeping records of many social aspects became a necessity. Farmers needed the records of the climatic condition during a year. Doctors needed records of effect of different herbals on different diseases. Such information was passed on from one person to other or one generation to the next. Gradually, when kings started ruling, figures regarding the army, population of their kingdom, value of tax expenditures, volume of trades, lands, etc. were to be maintained. In the history, we come across famous rulers throughout the world, many of whom are associated with reforms in keeping such records. Okay. Next, move to development of statistics. In ancient times, the scope of statistics was primarily limited to the collection of data of population or wealth of the country by government of framing military and economic policies. According to history, evidence of collection of population statistics in ancient India is found during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. Kautilya's Ashtastra elaborates the management of statistical facts about state administration in the country. The tax system on lands was reformed by Todarmal during the reign of Akbar. Abul Fazl, in his book Ain-e-Akbari, has written a detailed account of the administrative and statistical surveys conducted during reign of Akbar. At present, statistics has grown at the phenomenal rate. The application of statistics is done in almost all the disciplines of knowledge. Statistics is widely used as a valuable tools in the analysis of the problems in physical and social science, commerce and economics, and also in science and technology. The subjects like medicine use statistics to draw valid and meaningful conclusions. The theory of probability originated as the theory of game and chances during the 7th century by James Bernoulli, D. Moore, Laplace and Gauss. D. Moore, who discovered the normal curve. Sir Francis Galton developed regression theory in the field of biometry. Carl Pearson came out with the latest discovery, that is chi-square test of goodness of fit, which is of very high value in research activity in applied science. His contribution of correlation theory is also prominent. The discovery of students' t-distribution by W.S. Galton is a milestone in the growth of statistics. Sir Ronald A. Fisher is considered as father of statistics. He developed the theories which could be used in various fields like biometry, psychology, education, agriculture, commerce, etc. He developed the concept of estimation, analysis of variance, design of experiments, and so on. The Indian scholar Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis is called as father of Indian statistics and was the founder of Indian Statistical Institution. Next, let's see the meaning of statistics. The word statistics is usually used in two senses. One is singular sense, another one is plural sense. Let's see definition of statistics. In the singular sense, this is also known as statistical methods. Many scholars have tried to define statistics in many ways. Each one of them has tried to give better definitions than the earlier ones. A.L. Bowley defines statistics as the science of counting. That is, this definition places the emphasis of counting only, and that common men consider statistics as nothing but counting. This used to be the situation a very long time ago. Statistics today is not counting of people, counting of animals, counting of trees, and counting of fighting forces. It has now developed into a rich method of data analysis and interpretation. Afterwards, he redefined it as the science of average. This definition is very simple, but it covers only some areas of statistics. Averages are very simple and important in statistics, but statistics is not limited to averages only. There are many other statistical tools like measure of variation, measures of correlation, measures of independence, etc. Thus, this definition is weak and incomplete and is no longer applicable. So, both these definitions fails to give a complete notation of the science. Next, Boddington defines statistics as the science of estimation and probability. This definition covers a major part of statistics and it close to modern statistics, but it is not complete because it tests only probability. There are some areas of statistics in which probability is not used. A more precise and exact definition given by Croxon and Cowden. Croxon and Cowden define statistics as statistics is the science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Let's see what is collection of data, what is presentation of data, what is analysis of data and what is interpretation of data. Let's see one by one. In that first one, collection of data. Okay, collection of data, this is first step in the statistical study and is the foundation of statistical analysis. Under this stage, data are collected from various sources, that is primary or secondary. When data are collected originally by an investigator or agency, these are called primary data. When data are collected from published or unpublished data which have already been collected by some other agency, these are called secondary data. For example, in a school, suppose if we assume that in a school there are 500 students including boys and girls. In order to provide uniform clothes for all these students, we need to measurement of these students. Suppose if we take measurement of each and every students, it is time consuming. So that first we have to distribute all students in class wise. And assume in the first standard, if there are 50 students, we can randomly select 10 students to take a measurement. Like that, in each class we can select few students because generally we know that some same age students have same identical measurement. Okay, next let's see presentation of data. After the collection of data, systematical arrangement of the data is essential. The collected data are inspected closely and edited from raw data. They are originated and presented in tables in appreciate rows and columns. This process is known as the presentation of data. As our example, after the sample selection, we will represent collected data in systematic manner. Okay, our example is based on uniform distribution, so we need to collect heights of student, shoulder length of students, chest size of the student, etc. Okay, here we will get different heights, different shoulder lengths, chest size, etc. But to distribute uniform clothes to students, we need single measure to each students. So that we will move to analysis part. Okay, that is analysis of data. The next stage is the analysis of the presented data. These are large number of statistical measures which are used to analyze the data, such as average, dispersion, correlation, regression, etc. For our example, applying statistical technique, we will get single measure. After analyzing the analysis of data, the last step is interpretation of the data. In the result obtained from the analysis are finally interpreted and conclusions are drawn. It is an essential part of the work. As we know, interpretation is conclusion part. This part anybody can understand, even common man also. Okay. In our example, just assume height of first standard students may have 120 centimeter. So we can distribute uniform clothes to them as requirement of their height to all the students with the same measure. Similarly, this process applicable to all the class.
Now you got clear idea about what is statistics. So the definition of statistics is the science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. See here, collection of data and presentation of data that anybody can do with the help of statistician. But the analysis of data only done by expert or statistician who have good knowledge about statistics. But the interpretation part is there, no, that is final conclusion. It shows what we have done throughout the statistical method. I hope you all understood what is the meaning of statistics. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.